In this video, I will show you how to add transition effects in CapCut PC. So if you want to add transition effects, after you open up the CapCut, now here are different video clips that I have in my timeline. So first thing to do, now go ahead and turn on this option, magnets. After you turn on this magnet, this will remove all the gaps between the video clips. So the next thing, go to transition, go to glitch. So this will allow you to see all the transition that CapCut gives you for the glitch. So now select your first clip. So go and find the transition you want to use. So for me, let's say I want to use this one. I want to use this one. So just click this plus button. If you click on the plus button, it will automatically add it into your timeline like this now. So now let's play and see how it works. So now here is transition. So now if you want to change it, all you have to do now, go and find the one that you want to use. Let's say I want to change it to this one. I'll just drag it and add it to the timeline like this. So now it will be changed. If you want to apply the first transition to all of your transition in the video, so select the first one. So here it will give you the duration. So go ahead and customize the duration. You can increase or you can decrease. So like this. So then click on this apply to all button. So from there, the first transition will be added to all of your video in the timeline. So now if you play all of the transition like this, as you can see. So let's play the same transition. So that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.